Welcome friends in the civil engineer channel. In this video we will see the joints. In previous video we have seen the introduction of water tank. Now in this video we will see the in detail joints in water tanks. There are three main types of water tanks joints: movement joints, construction joints and temporary open joints. First of all we will see the movement joint. In movement joint, their main aim is water tightness. Again, movement joints have two types of joints: contraction joints and partial contraction joints. In contraction joints, complete contraction joints are having. In complete contraction joint, the discontinuity of both steel and concrete. In figure we have see that the complete contraction joints. This is a water tank's surface, and these two are another solid objects of concrete. This is in filling material filled by, and this is a water bar. This bar is mainly for the reinforcement will be joining to other surfaces, and this with the bars. This by red pen, and these are the steel or reinforcement. These are discontinuous, and these are the concrete. This is also discontinuous. Partial contraction joints. In these joints, discontinuity in concrete, but reinforcement will be continuous. So in this figure we have seen that this is a steel reinforcement. This will be continuous, but we see the in red line, this is discontinuity in concrete. So this is a partial contraction joint. These joints are filled with the sealing compound, in some manner asphalt or bitumen or liquid bitumen or coal tar. But this will be filled in dry condition of the water tank, or both side will be dry. Now expansion joint. This is again a subtype of movement joint. In first we have seen that the contraction joints. In contraction joints, complete contraction joints and partial contraction joint. In expansion joints, these are the expansion joints are mainly both reinforcement and concrete both are discontinuous. In figure we have seen that this is a concrete discontinuity, and this is a steel or reinforcement continuity. In this there is initial gap is taken or is assumed, and this is a water bar. Is again is main purpose of this to continue the both surfaces, and this is the joint material or joint filler. This is joint filler. The difference between contraction joint and expansion joint is the initial gap. This initial gap is taken, or this is a extra point of the joints. This is discontinuity of steel or reinforcement and concrete also. This gap or this filling material thickness maximum at 30 mm and minimum at 10 mm. Sliding joints. In sliding joints, these are the both discontinuity in reinforcement and concrete, but these joints are mainly used in joint of wall and floor. In some in this is mostly used in cylindrical tank. This is this is flooring, or this is a wall. So this is the sliding joints, and these are joints by sealing compound filled with sealing compound. In sliding surface, the rubber pad is mostly used. This is by red ink we clear that this is sliding joint. And second type of joint in B, in A we have seen that the movement joints, and B is a construction joints. This construction joints is avoid to percolation or seepage. This is a joints, or this is a continuity of steel. Mainly this will be in a big structure like a dam or reservoir structures. there is used. The position of these construction joints is mainly supervised by the engineer or the guidance of the engineer. This construction joint is mostly used when the construction of the structure. Temporary open joints. In temporary open joints is nothing but the temporary open joints are nothing but the temporary joints. A name itself explains, which means suppose we have to put another structure over beside the structure. So suppose this is a fixed structure and we have to place another structure. So this is a temporary joint or temporary joint to prevent the overlapping of these surfaces. Or this is a strip painting by after the placing of the structure or water structure. This is a joint sealing, and this is a mortar filling. This filling with the mortar or concrete, the main purpose or main part of the mortar of this filling should be watertight. This filling should be watertight. In some cases, in one section is a chemical or in one is water, so we have to not mix the or we not have to leak. So this is a temporary joint is only for the temporary purposes, for structures or some kind of. In another video, this is all about the joints. First we have see the movement joint. Another is construction joint, and third is a temporary joint. In another video we will see the design of rectangular tank on ground and underground, circular tank and in-test water tank. If we have in link in description, I have the I given the link for this introduction of water tank joint in PDF format. Thank you friends. We will meet in another video of design of rectangular tank. Thank you friends, and subscribe our channel, The Civil Engineer.